Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I will be showing you how I go from this to this, and this will be my eyebrow grooming and fill in tutorial showing you how I go for a natural look on my eyebrows. So the first thing I do is take my spoolie and brush my eyebrows into place, following the natural direction that the hair grows. And then right here I am showing you guys what I will be plucking off with my tweezers. So I only pluck off the bottom end of my eyebrows. And the kit that I'm using is the Sonia Kashuk eyebrow grooming kit that I purchased from Target for about $15. So what I'm doing here is just plucking away the hair that looks out of place at the end of my eyebrows, just so that my tail can be defined when I go to draw in my eyebrows. So also you can see that I'm using my other hand to hold the skin above my eyebrows back, just to give it a taut, firm hold. And what this does is help me to see what hair is actually out of place, and it also makes plucking my eyebrows less painful. So after I am finished tweezing my eyebrows, I just brush them into place properly, and then I take my eyebrow scissors from the grooming kit, and right here I am just trimming the top of my eyebrows. The very tip is like barely any hair, guys. So what this does is allow my hair to just lay flat in place when I wear my eyebrows. I don't like when the hair is like curly and bulking up at the ends, and it just gives me a more defined look when I actually fill in my eyebrows. So for the front section, I brush it going up properly, and then I just trim going straight across. And I don't touch the front of my eyebrows. I never touch the front of my eyebrows. I just leave it natural because I don't want to mess it up and look kind of weird. So yeah. So I usually do my eyebrow grooming routine every 3 weeks is when I go ahead and tweeze and trim my eyebrows. And on days where I want my eyebrows to look fuller, I just take a dark brown eyebrow pencil, and the first thing I do is brush my eyebrows into place. And then I go ahead and lightly outline my eyebrows, starting a few centimeters from the front. I don't touch the front. And I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows with the pencil. And after, I just fill in my eyebrows going in a upward stroke direction, following the natural way my eyebrow grows. And then I put a few lines at the front just to give it a more fuller look at the front, but I don't fill it in or make it look too harsh. And then I take my spoolie and brush it into place. This helps to blend the pencil with my natural hairs just to make it look natural. And then on days where I actually wear makeup, I use a concealer. So I don't use a concealer if I'm not going to wear makeup. So yeah, I wipe off the excess concealer, and then I just outline my eyebrows just to give it a more highlighted look and make it more defined. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe. So after I apply the concealer, I take my fingertips and blend it into my skin just to get rid of some of the harsh white lines or that harsh white effect. And like I said, I only do this when I'm actually going to wear makeup, because after I do this, I usually put on my foundation, and then my foundation covers up the concealer so it doesn't have that halo effect. And then after I am finished with the concealer, I just take the pencil again and I draw my tail going a bit further down, nothing too harsh. And the last step I do is apply some brow gel to my eyebrows just so they can lay into place and set all day so that they don't move. And then I take the tip of that spoolie and just go over it at the top just to give it a more defined look, just to make the hairs lay flatter into place. And that's the end of that eyebrow. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow. So this is the end of my eyebrow tutorial, guys. So if you guys would love to see a full face makeup tutorial, I only have one way I do my makeup. I would definitely leave the video down below. My routine is still exactly the same. I didn't change anything since I did that video. So make sure you check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful to you all. And please give this video a rating, and I will see you in my next video. And thank you to all who comment, subscribe, and support my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.